Hi everyone, my name is Marcy Boroff and I'm your instructor for this class, Legal Issues and Patient Advocacy. I'm looking forward to the next 11 weeks with all of you to do an overview about our legal system and its impact on your work as a patient advocate, or if you're in a different program, your work as a healthcare administrator, or whatever type of work you're doing. I know I've had some of you before, and I look forward to spending another 11 weeks with you, and most of you are new students to me, and I look forward to meeting you. I'm just going to spend a couple of minutes and talk a little bit about myself, and I also look forward to hearing about you in the bio and career vision assignment this week. Feel free to write or send a video. It's nice to see your faces and to have a face to go with it. So take a step back. I'll talk a little bit about myself. My name is Marcy Boroff again. I've been teaching with UCLA Extension for about 4 or 5 years, always online. I live in Philadelphia, in the midst of a winter storm right now. It's actually Thursday, the 4th, and just telling you a little bit about myself. Okay. So I teach at UCLA Extension. I also teach for Philadelphia University. I teach in their continuing and professional studies program, in person and online. That is their accelerated degree completion program for undergraduates. So I've been teaching for about 15 years, maybe. Altogether, I enjoy teaching adults, and I started a couple years ago teaching traditional undergrad, so it's a nice mix of who I get to spend time with and learn from. Again, I live in Philadelphia. Me and my wife have lived here for about 24 years. We have a 19-year-old daughter who is a freshman in college at Warren Wilson College, a small school in Asheville, North Carolina. We have a dog that it's not very happy and doesn't like to go, not very happy today, and doesn't like to go out in the snow. Mostly he's very happy because he just sits around and sleeps. I do a lot of different things for my work, including teaching and also doing consulting around workforce development and healthcare policy. And I organize art festivals. I have a legal background. I was a lawyer. I am a lawyer. I went to law school and I practiced for a number of years. And some things I like to do. I am a runner, hiker. I enjoy being outdoors. I actually tried to go skiing over winter break, but it was too cold. I enjoy to travel. I enjoy reading. And I guess that's about it for right now. Again, I look forward to meeting you guys throughout this class and learning from you and learning with you and hopefully teaching you about our legal system. Okay, have a great day. Bye.